I'm Melanie.
I'm Jade.
So we're going to talk about perfect complements. So basically, perfect complements are goods that are always consumed together in a fixed proportion, so it's like a set ratio. So one example of these goods would be like left and right shoes, because you're going to want to have an equal amount of them. So it doesn't matter if you have like one left shoe but you have like 30 right shoes, like you still want to have an equal amount. So this is what it means by like a fixed proportion.
So when we think about graphing mean difference curves, so let's say like this axis is the left shoes and this is the right shoes, and you have a certain bundle, let's say like 10 left shoes and 10 right shoes. So you have 10 pairs of shoes, that gives you a certain amount of utility. But let's say someone gave you an extra left shoe. That wouldn't change your utility because you still only have 10 pairs of shoes you can wear. And even if you had an increase of like 40 left shoes, or you only got 40 right shoes, it wouldn't change your utility because at the end of the day you could still only wear 10 pairs of shoes. Since, as we discussed in class, utility curves all have, indifference curves all have one set utility. Your indifference curve is going to look L-shaped because you wouldn't gain any additional utility from any of these increases in quantity.
So the important thing about perfect complements is that the consumer prefers to consume these goods in a fixed proportion, so it doesn't necessarily have to be one-to-one, as I said before. So in a different example that's not like left and right shoes, it could be like bread and butter. So if you wanted to consume 1 spoon of butter for every 5 slices of bread, it wouldn't matter if you had like 500 slices of bread if you still only have that 1 spoon of butter. So as long as it's a fixed ratio and the consumer wants to consume them like in a proportion, it's a perfect